guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's vlog po,
Bantay na ito. Nice or not? Oh, sige, pwede rin.
punta po tayo ng punta po kami ng appointment ni Sai sa iyang personal hygiene. Ayan po siyang dental cleaning appointment. So kita-kits po tayo dun sa loob kung papayagan tayo. Kapag hindi, choice wala tayong magawa. So kita-kits na lang tayo dun.
Pwede mo sila kadiris di ko, oh. Son?
Layo na kayo.
Malayo na.
Kita na ni mga ng bus na yung pero may makita pero sharo di kami nga unag. So lapit na tayo. Yung mo mag-ayos ng vlog niya.
Yan, yan.
So ayan, yan na tayo. So kita-kits na lang tayo dun sa loob mga idol. Okay.
Alright. Okay. Alright. You'll be alright.
Side. So ayan, naka na siya ngayon. Higa na, naghihintay na ng dentist na. So, Galing, oh. May... Next time ako. Ngipin ko. Tingnan nyo, may napaka-ano nila dito. Napaka-high tech. High-tech sila dito dahil ano, kumpara dun sa una naming napasukan na clinic, hindi ganito. So, kompleto sila. Pinapanood pa niya yung ano niya, yung paborito niya. So, antayin natin sila. Nagunsa mo ka dito? Nagunsa? Ang sa'yo mong gibuhat? X-ray? Look at that. Yung paborito ng vlogger. Kasi pangalan na sa'yo? Ha? Nicole AIDS? So, yan.
So what was your last time at Adventist? Do you remember?
I think that was last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Had a checkup cleaning?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just lift your head up a little bit. Good.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Dup da da da. Dup dup da 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 da. Dup da da da. Dup da da da. Dup da da da. Dup da 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 da. Dup da da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Start up, baby. You'll be alright, 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 alright. Okay, okay.
Yeah, so there's gonna be lots of water and vibrations. And I'm gonna give you this suction for you to hold. And it works like a straw. You just put it in your mouth wherever you feel like you're blocked, okay? You go ahead. Keep it right in. And over to the Stay open. You don't floss your teeth? Do you floss your teeth? Considering no. So that's something you need to work on, okay? Because you have a lot of small cavities forming in between your teeth. And just brushing alone is not going to clean the teeth, okay?
Sure.
Floss every night before bedtime.
Okay.
You only need to floss the teeth you want to keep, okay? So it's up to you. But I would advise you try to keep as many as you can. And that means you gotta floss all of your teeth as you can, okay? Yeah, you should be good.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll be fine. I'll set you up. There's some paperwork to be done, and then we'll get that done, finish up the cleaning, get the Invisalign consult, and then that'll be that.
Okay.
And then maybe I can clean a little bit there, because I couldn't clean those teeth very well with that baby tooth.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
How was that side?
Okay, okay pa, is everything is okay?
Sige pa.
So, you have this one, but it will be, it's gonna be one. Yes, just the from the tooth behind one. You can just eat ice cream, no? It's just because it's sitting there for a long time, that's why your gums become inflamed, no? This one. But it's gonna be okay. That's why you really need to do it, remove the function. And now very inflamed works, no? Because of the tooth sitting there for a while. What we're gonna do in US? Is it, mommy?
No, siya lang, yung mga young people sa church namin.
Ah, sa church. Ano po church?
Baptist po.
Nice, sa US.
Yung
Saan?
sa California, right?
Exciting. May kasama si mami si daddy. Young people only. Very old. Nabrush ko na lang, ha? Magsasampay niya. Gawa ito doon. Very exciting. You need to floss, like you said. Kasi she said that you're getting a small cavity clean, but for now I think she said she will not. But we need to see her for in 6 months, huh? We'll see if that becomes bigger or not. Sometimes it will revert some closing. Pero kung hindi mag-close, look for it to cavity. Okay? So that's why we need to close. Take your photo. Maybe you could remove that.
You'll be alright.
And then, turn this way. Chin up a little bit. Okay. Chin down. Okay. Do not close your eyes. Open your eyes. You can face me now. Maybe you can see the other side. Smile. Smile with teeth. And now, smile bigger. I want to see the lower teeth. There you go. Bigger smile. Sino pa ang nag-request sa kanila?
Yung kaibigan ko po, yung kasamahan.
Let me see. What's your main concern? Why do you want to meron siyang missing na pang eh. Ilan taon siya ulit?
12 po.
Tingnan ko lang ba yung expert? Sino ka makita?
Ay,
Mahihirap yung ngipin ni Charlie.
oo.
Okay, so ito po kasi yung
Ay, dapat na. Sa ilalim?
Oo. Dapat nung 9 years old siya, lumabas. Ngayon, masipag po ba siya mag-control?
Minsan nakakalimutan yun.
Kasi, dati sa kanya, hindi sila napalad niya po yung dito. Maganda siya, pero it needs commitment. The patient needs to wear the retainer at least 22 hours in a day. So, kung hindi susuotin, hindi effective. Pero yung ipin yung side din, mahirap itong gawin. Kasi may nag-ipit na ngipin.
So, kailangan tanggalin po?
Hindi po. Kailangan niya, so I'm a general dentist, mas maganda mag-handle sa amin, specialist ka. So, orthodontist po. So, ang gagawin ng orthodontist, ibubuka para magkaroon ng space para lumabas. Ngayon po kasi ipit, hindi siya dito. Ano?
Iipin pala yan?
So, good thing nga po na nasa malapit lang sa silog. So, sabihin posible lumabas. Yung iba kasi talagang naka-agad to. Sa kanya naka-agad.
Okay.
So, well, specialist na po dapat na lumabas. Kasi ako po, general dentist po ako. I can do mga Invisalign, pero not as hard as this.
Sige.
Ha? So, yung ibang gagawin, ito yung mga So, yung isa, may isang papastan sa kanya, yan, pwede namin gawin yung clinic. Yun nga lang po yung ipin na to. Kailangan specialist. So, refer ko po kayo, meron malapit dito.
Sige.
Pero sa Ilog, sa Jasper po.
Okay. Lapit lang kami dito eh.
Kasi nga hindi yung patient.
Sige po.
Kasi hindi na lalabas.
Okay.
Dapat po kasi yung siguro maaga siya nagunitan. Minsan,
Maaga siya na, hindi talagang pinatanggal namin yun dahil sabi ng dentist doon, tanggalin yung yung mga ipin niya para,
minsan kasi, masikip talaga. Minsan na mga na rin.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
So, don't worry about it. There's no come out. It just needs help from the expert. Ha? Thank you.
Thank you po, Doc. How was it? Sige po. Thank you.
You'll be alright.
May free kami na electric toothbrush. Yehey! From Maya Dental Clinic. Dito po tayo sa Maya Dental Clinic. Ayan po mga idol, para sa mga gustong magpunta. Dito po tayo sa Maya Dental Clinic. Tanong kung saan banda. Dito po tayo sa harap ng sa gilid ng May Seafoods. Ayan po. Seafood City. Ayan. Katabi po niya ay ang Wayback Burgers. So, ang gilid naman niya, harap, isang BMO. So, malapit lang po talaga dito. So, hindi po mahirap hanapin ito. At saka may Google naman eh. Sobrang bilis lang. Diba? So, ayun na nga. Tapos na kami dito. So, uwi na kami. Okay? Takits tayo. Bye for now.
I wonder if you're drinking canned juice from the one that
How's your experience?
Santa Kia Hotel that sounds like.
Da 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 da.